Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video we're gonna talk about deleting the array elements in JavaScript with the two different approaches. In one we're gonna use the delete and in other we're gonna use the method splice, and what is the difference between them. Alright, so first of all I'm gonna console log my array, and now I will delete one array element. So I want to delete C, the index number 2, and I'm gonna use the delete here, and I need to console log this again. Dot length. I have to copy this again. So let me just run this. So as you can see here, in the first we have our complete array A, B, C, D and E, and its length is 5, and after that I removed one of its element. I just deleted the C, but as you can see here, the length of our array after the deletion is still 5. So it simply means that the delete keyword does not actually delete your element, it only deletes the value of that element or the variable. Okay, and it does not even re-index your array and also does not change the length of an array. Alright, but if we just try to do the same thing with the splice, we will see the difference. Okay, so let me just comment out this code for the moment. Let me just copy this. Alright, so now we will use the splice method. So I'm gonna write my array splice. Okay, in the splice method we will pass the two arguments. The first one is the index value of an array from where we want to delete the element. So I just want to delete the element C. So for that I'm gonna start it from the 2, and in the second argument we will pass the delete count. Okay, so if I just want to delete the one element, I will just write the 1, and if I just want to delete the two elements, I'm gonna simply write 2. Okay, so let me just show it to you. So run it here, and as you can see, in the first we have the 5 elements, its length is 5, but in the second we have the 4 elements, and if I want to delete the 2 elements, we will have the 3 element then. Okay, so this is how we use the splice element. I hope you got the point. Alright, so now we're gonna talk about its length as well. Alright, so let me just run it again. And now you can see here that before deleting the element, we have the 5 elements. Okay, A, B, C, D and E, and its length is 5. But after deleting the element with the help of splice, we have the 4 element, and its length of the index is also the 4. Okay, so when you use the splice method, it actually removes the element and re-index your array and changes its length. Alright, so now I'm gonna simply undo this, and I think I have to give it a different array, otherwise it will cause a mess up. So it would be array 2. Let's just run it again, and now you can clearly see the difference here. When we delete the element with the help of delete, it does not actually delete the element, it only deletes its value, and it does not reindex the array and also change its length. But when we just try to do the same thing with the splice, okay, it does remove the element, it does reindex our array, and it also changes its length. Alright, so this is how it works, and this is the difference between the delete and the splice while deleting the array elements in the JavaScript. And this is all for this video. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.